happy birthday.
Birthday na ni Bella. Birthday na ni Bella. Birthday na ni Bella. Ngayon. Get out. Happy birthday, Sexcellent Bella. Hoy, ngayon lang to ha. Mas maganda pa rin ako sa'yo, no? Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Good health. More blessing. And success. Love life. Maybe next life na lang. Love you, Sexcellent Bella.
Happy birthday po, King Kai. Wishing you all the best in life and more outcomes to come.
Hello po, ate. Si Lloyd nga po pala na CMK. Although we're not close enough, happy birthday. Wish ko lang is more birthdays to come for you and enjoy your day. Yun lang.
Hi Belle, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Bella. I wish you more birthday to come and more candle to blow. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Belle! First of all, ang gusto ko lang naman sabihin sa'yo, sana labahan mo na yung panty mo kasi nakakaroon na siya ng sariling buhay. Baka mamaya kusa na yung gumalaw, tsaka kusa na yung tumayo. Nakakatakot na, diba? Tapos, yung amoy niya, amoy danggit na, kaya pakilabahan na, please. No, kidding aside, ang wish ko talaga sa'yo, Belle, is more blessings to come and sana mas maging healthy ka pa, and I pray that all your prayers, what your heart's desire is ibigay talaga sa ni Lord, and I know naman in the future magiging successful ka kasi napakasipag mo talaga, napaka hardworking mo and dedicated mo sa trabaho mo, and sana wag magbago rin yung attitude mo na pagiging prangka and maalagain sa mga kaibigan mo, hindi lang sa kaibigan mo, pati sa family mo. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Hi Bella, at happy birthday. Wish ko sa birthday mo ngayon ay maging masaya ka at lag mo alagang sarili mo. Sa kapis lang, sana gamitin mo naman isip mo. Hindi talaga maiwasan mabulihin kita, no? Anyway, happy birthday at maging masaya ka. Love you, bye-bye.
Happy birthday.